Hello, my friend. I want to speak to you about my seminar coming up 6th of March, 6th of March 2019. Okay, it is called How to Build a Profitable Consulting Business Rapidly. What I want to talk up to you about at this seminar is number one, how do you find a client if you're a consultant? That's your number one challenge, generating leads. And then the second challenge is actually converting those leads into clients. Um, if you don't know how the brain works and how people make decisions, you will not be able to convert your leads to clients. So we're going to teach that at that seminar. The third one actually is the mindset. How do you get your mindset right to the extent that you will be in a position to actually achieve your dreams? Because of that, if you know that I've written a book on mindset, it's called Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance. I am an expert when it comes to mindset. However, I've brought along my good friend, a Commonwealth gold medalist, the first Commonwealth gold medalist in gymnastics, okay, ever in Great Britain. So I brought him along to come and share with us the mindset of a gold medalist. Yeah, the mindset of a gold medalist. What drives someone to train for 4 years? 4 years to compete for a few minutes for a prize. Think about that. If you transport that mindset into your business, your result will explode, which is what I expect for you after attending this seminar. So Steve Frew is gonna come and talk to us about that, and he also share with us around fitness. How can fitness actually help your business? That's also very, very important. And on the day, I'm gonna share a lot of insight about how to get yourself into a state where you 100% focused on your work. We're living in a time of enormous distractions, and that's taking away the play from serious business people. So you learn to create the systems around you that will ensure that you're 100% focused on your work. When it's work time, it's show time, no distractions. I'll show you the systems you can put in place to make sure that you do that effectively. Wow. On top of that, I'm gonna provide you with food and drink, and you got a lot of opportunity to network with other people, and you're gonna also go away with the inspiration to think bigger and act bigger and make your business bigger in every way, shape, or form possible. So remember that date, 6th of March, 5:30 to 8:30. We're gonna start exactly 5:30, so no lateness is tolerated. I'm really serious about that. We'll start 5:30 on the dot. So I hope to see you there. Thank you very much for listening to me. God bless.